Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about another very important English word, give. We use give every day in English, but when we add small words after give, the meaning changes. Today let's learn 8 useful idioms with give. They are very easy. Let's start. Part 1. Action and giving things to others. Give away. She likes to give away her old clothes. This means she gives her clothes to other people for free. Example, he gave away all his old books to the school library. Give over. He gave over the files to the investigator. This means he handed the files to another person officially. Example, please give over the keys to the new owner. Part 2, senses and daily life. Give back. Please give me back my book. This means please return my book to me. Example, can you give back the pen I lent you yesterday? Give off. The flowers give off a sweet smell. This means the flowers produce a smell. The smell comes out from them. Example, this candle gives off a lovely, warm smell. Part 3, staying strong and giving up. Give in. Don't give in to pressure. This means don't let other people with problems win. Stay strong. Example, she was tired but she did not give in. She finished the race. Give yourself up. The suspect gave himself up to the priest. This means he went to the priest and said, I'm here, you can take me. Example, this man gave himself up after 2 days. Finally, part 4, view and situations. Give up on. Don't give up on your dreams. This means don't stop trying. Keep going. Example, I wanted to quit learning English, but I did not give up. Now I speak well. Finally, give out. The runner's legs gave out at the finish line. This means his legs stopped working. They had no more energy. Example, my phone gave out in the middle of the meeting. The battery was empty. All right, great work today, everyone. We learned 8 idioms with the word give. Let's say them together one more time. Give away, give over, give back, give off, give in, give oneself up, give out. Try to use one of these today. See you in the next video. And remember, never give up on learning English.